You know, I think on early onset of dementia is happening.
Oh, this store.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
What do you think? It's more fun in the Philippines or it's more fun in America?
It's more hot in the Philippines.
You know, or, maybe the food is too good. Maybe the life here is too good. You know. So, but we are on our way to the market, so that way we can purchase a motorcycle. So once we purchase the motorcycle, we'll be good. So the motorcycle that Dee wants is not the same size motorcycle that I want. Right? So I think today we're gonna buy her motorcycle, so that way she can be comfortable in riding it around and things like that. So how's your day so far?
It's nice. We had a good lunch. It was balaton. It was delicious. And we also went to the market. We bought some school supplies for the kids. And then, yeah, that's all we did really. It was a good morning. Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay. Is this medium or small?
Unisex.
Unisex. Okay. One size fits all. Oh, like that. How do you open? Oh, there it is. It feels loose. Is that okay? Oh.
It's supposed to be loose.
I don't know.
If it's loose, then you're supposed to get another one, like a different one. It's supposed to be tighter on your head.
It's definitely not tight. I don't know how to take it off either. Is there a smaller one? You have a smaller? One size. Okay. I mean, if you get hit with this, you're not, I mean, it's just not going to be helpful. But yeah. Is there other places to get helmets? SM? Oh, do you want to go to SM?
But you need a helmet now. Do you need a helmet now to drive this out?
You need a helmet to go, right? Yeah.
What did he say? Yeah.
So, yeah.
You need to drive. You need to drive it. Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Okay, I guess we'll have to get this.
So what about this bike right here? Okay, tell me about your bike.
I wanted a smaller bike,
She wanted this one
but my husband is making me get a bigger bike.
because I'm heavy. Because I'm heavy, I'm gonna have to be sitting in the back.
Yeah. No, I'm sitting in the back.
No, I'm. What are you talking about?
But okay, yeah.
Do you wanna buying this cash or financing it?
Cash.
All right, cool.
Can't finance this.
All right, let's go hop on. Let me
Let's see
see.
if we can swipe a credit card.
All right, let me see how can you hop on? Let me see how it looks. We gotta talk about maintenance too.
Oh yeah.
Never really know what's going on.
It's official. We bought a motorcycle.
Sometimes like all you want to
We bought a
do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things
Okay.
you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart. start. Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times.
All right, we made it. I don't know where we are, but we're going to go shopping. We're here. Oh, we're at SM. All right, let's go. We're gonna go to SM Mall.
Yeah.
Woo! So we are in Rosales City at the SM Mall. I have some things I want to buy. Specifically, like I need some shorts, like biker shorts, because it's hot and my shorts kind of right up. Not that you guys want to know all that, but SM Mall. It's so nice in here.
Okay, first floor. I think they said Globe or whatever.
Okay. Are you done with this water? Do you need the water? Ah, Jollibee. Oh, Himiko's calling me. And we're getting our keys made. Let's see. Bench. Memo.
This is a real Caribbean.
Yeah, it's a real Caribbean. So we got keys. Where's my key? Where's my original key?
Take that, put it
All
right.
right, nice.
What do you want? Give it to me.
This is D1.
All right, so we just got. What are we doing right now? That looks pretty cool. You look like RoboCop. Kind of. Turn around. All right, nice.
Now I'm safe. I'm ready for the road. That last one
But
was
you
a
need
little...
like jackets and stuff though, you know.
Well, that last one was kind of sketch, you know? The helmet that we bought with the bike.
Yeah.
I was like, is this DOT approved? No. But at least this one has like the approval, you know?
Oh, okay. Dude.
Oh, thank you.
So, all right. So, what did you just get?
I got a helmet. Let's go get some internet. Oh, I see Globe. Yes.
Enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed. First blood. You have slain an enemy. Killing spree. Mega kill. Unstoppable.
Oh, okay. Try it again.
It's good.
So we're in SM store and we're testing out our rice cooker that we're buying.
You gotta have rice. Gotta have rice. Gotta have rice.
Mom cooks rice over the
Hey,
stove.
homegirl was trying to buy me a smaller rice cooker. I had to correct her. You know?
Aww. Here it is. Here's what's happening at the mall. It's very busy at the mall.